Hello everyone, welcome to the Lead a Rich Life channel. I'm Dr. Amanda Barrientez, founder of ABI Coaching. This is the channel where you'll learn actionable rich life tips to help you access your personal power, develop and nurture connected relationships, and master your money mindset so you can lead a rich life. Today, we're going to talk about how to change your life right now. And at the end of the video, I'll give you an action step to help you transform from where you are now to where you want to be. Plus, I'll give you a downloadable link that dives deeper on this topic and helps you practice what you've learned today. So be sure to stick around until the end. Learning how to change your life right now is a critical skill that's useful to literally everyone I know. So let's get started. Think of something that you're wanting to change in your life right now. Maybe it's your weight. You want to lose weight, but you don't know how. Or money blocks. Or you're having troubles in your relationship world. Maybe it's that you hate your job. Do you have something in mind? I want you to have something in mind. Okay. Now, I want you to think about what you're doing to change it. For many of us, it's that we sit around complaining, worrying, and beating ourselves up for not knowing how to change and fix the problem. I get it. I've done it. We've all done it. You're not alone. Here's the thing. When we worry, we're praying for troubles to come our way. When we complain, we have to hang out with a whole bunch of other complainers who want to hear our complaints. And when we beat ourselves up, we're diminishing our self-worth and feeding our inner critic who likes to live in fear-based negative thinking. None of this is going to get you where you want to go. So, lucky for you, I've created a simple mindset switch strategy that you can implement immediately to get you into action to help you change your life. I have had it work wonders for me and the people I've taught it to, and I know it'll work for you. It's very simple. It's one question. How can I? Here's how it works. Instead of thinking negative inner critic thoughts like, I hate my body, I'll never have the body I want, we ask ourselves, how can I get the body I want? How can I get up 10 minutes earlier and take a walk around the block? Instead of thinking, I've never had a good relationship, why are my relationships such a problem? We think, how can I become the person I want to become to have an intimate, deeply connected relationship? Instead of, I'm broke, I don't have any money, we ask, how can I take the first step today to save $1 and put it into a savings account? The magic of the how can I mindset switch strategy is that it gets us out of inner critic, fear-based negative thinking into inner cheerleader, solution-based possibility thinking. And since our thoughts determine our actions and our actions determine our reality, this mindset switch has the power to transform your life. Okay, here's your action step to put this into play. I want you to practice right now. Think of something that you're trying to change in your life and apply the how can I mindset switch. I want you to think of at least 10 how can I's that can help you switch your mindset in this area. If you do this all day today, whenever you notice inner critic thoughts, you'll start to get used to it, and it'll get your brainstorming juices flowing if you think of 10 how can I's. If you really want to change, put it into play for 30 days, and it'll become a solution-based automatic habit. All right, keep on practicing all day and for the next 30 days. And for more practice and a deeper dive, be sure to click on the link above for a downloadable PDF, The Ultimate Mindset Switch Strategy, and you'll get a practice worksheet. If you liked this video, please like it below, subscribe to the channel, share it with friends, and leave some comments and let me know how the Rich Life tip is working for you. All right. Get inspired to do whatever it takes to transform into the most empowered version of yourself so you can lead a rich life. I'll see you next Wednesday with another Rich Life tip.